Hello, I'm Kristen, Mira Community Lead. Today, I'm gonna show you the updated app and also some of the awesome new features to make sure you know how to access them. So here is the new and improved homepage. So now in the middle circle here, it's gonna show you any recommended testing for the day or any tests that you've already done. So my LH this morning was 4.3, E3G 121.7. If I had taken multiple tests, I can click View Test History and it'll show me all of the tests I've taken for the day. You also can access the calendar on the top right of the screen, and on the calendar it's going to show you little dots for whatever tests are suggested on any particular day. On the top right corner here, there's a little key that tells you what each of the dots mean and what each of the colored circles mean. You can also access the cycle analysis on the top left-hand corner, and that'll tell you average cycle length, period length, luteal phase length, follicular phase length, ovulation estimate, and also give you a snapshot of all of your prior cycles with Mira, including all of your intercourse timing. And then you can shop directly from the Mira page, and you can order wands, you can order menstrual cups. Any of the Mira products will show up here in the Mira Shop. There's also the news section, which has all of the Mira success stories, any past webinars that you may have missed and you want to see, and then blogs, all the various blogs that Mira has posted. And if you want to be able to access them later, you can go ahead and you can save any particular blogs and they'll go under the saved blog file, so you can quickly get back to them. So those are all of the features of the app I wanted to highlight. Now I want to show you the chart. Okay, so to show you some of the improvements on the chart, if you look along the very bottom, this is in full cycle view sideways. You can see the red part is your period, the gray days are your non-fertile days, your fertile window is the green, just like the old app, or blue, just like the old app, and then green is your ovulation date. You can now see the intercourse days along the bottom, the little hearts will show up, and you can choose to have them not show up if for some reason you don't. And then the other awesome thing is you can see all of your data points mapped out together. So you can see your LH, you can tap on any of the individual dots, and you can actually see the time and the value of that particular reading. You can look at each hormone isolated, so you can see just your LH if you want to. You can see your E3G for the entire cycle. You can look at your progesterone, HCG when those come out, and then of course your BBT. Another cool thing about the BBT is that you're able to use the little plus minus on the top right hand side here, and you can actually change the scale so that you can see better your pattern for the cycle, because yeah, when it's all mashed together it's a little bit harder to decipher after ovulation. So I thought that was a pretty awesome feature that I wanted to share. And when you export your chart, you can export it and then all the numbers will show up on the actual chart itself. So it's going to write out your actual values for BBT, actual values for LH next to each and every data point. You can save it as an image or you can send it directly to your doctor via email. So I thought those were pretty awesome features of the chart. And there you have it. That's the new app and all the exciting new features. I hope you guys enjoy using it as much as I have. Thank you for watching.